face. And I thought life was over. I feel just unstoppable when I've got my makeup on, you know? I'm just Tanya. Hello everyone, this is Burn Beauty 2018, and I am so happy to be with you today. We're going to do a quick little wig install. I already cut the lace off by mistake, because I thought I was recording, and I wasn't. Ooh, this is Tayten Color Bomb Bob. I bought this one, which is 27,613, and then a Peekaboo under the bottom of 30, which is a gold. And it comes in all these different colors. So you see it can be more dramatic. You know, black above the red velvet. It's by Outre. I absolutely love it. I love their bobs. They're just beautiful. Beautiful. I hope you can see that well. So I've already cut the lace off. I did cut the lace off with shears just right in my hand because there's no need to use a eyebrow razor unless you are a professional and unless you are planning to glue this down and really fit it all around your ear and everything. It is too dangerous for us as burn survivors. So unless you are a professional, please don't do it. No matter what you see being done, it's not necessary. You know, look, there's a little lift up because I didn't put anything on my wig today. If I wanted to and I was going out, I would put some lace bond right there, and I promise you this would not be moving. Perfect. And you can cut it with the scissors. So look how pretty this is. 27,613. So it's lighter at the top, and it's mixed in. The 27,613 are mixed together. So you can see the 27 kind of at the top. And I see the 613 like right in here. And then Peekaboo 30 gold. That's so pretty. That's so pretty. I have a very cool kit that I got from my bestie for Christmas to do the part. I normally spray it. I think I'm still going to spray it. Of the cap with even lace tint. You can see this is a dedicated center part. It's got 2 combs on the side. It's going to be an easy everyday wear. 1 comb at the back, and then adjustable tabs right here. I'm going to spray the even. You pick your color. I'm going to spray it right into this part lightly. You see the way that darkened up? But well, not the problem, but you have to be careful with this. You can put too much and it comes out, it's all over the hair. Right? And in this case, it's not, but it is a little dark. So, y'all hold on, I'm going to be back. Whew, okay, your girl's out of breath. Here we have it. Hair fetish. Lace and knot eraser kit. Your life just changed. I don't bleach knots. I don't be bleaching knots. Not even on my human hair wigs. I buy wigs because I'm not good with my hair. I like to buy synthetic. I have a few human hair, but of course I prefer the synthetic because I want to wash it, dry it, look great, go, you know, maybe little flat iron, maybe a little hot comb, but I don't want to be styling it, girl, no, I don't even know how to bleach a knot, and here I am right on YouTube. I don't know how to bleach a knot, not gonna learn. This hair fetish is wonderful. Lace and knot eraser kit, because it comes in so many different colors. And this is important. You think, well, my scalp is only one color. Well, your wig isn't. You know, you don't know what you need to really set this off. I'm going to use a very fine brush with it. I'm actually going to use a brush that you would use on your brow. Very flat, thin brush. And clean it off. All right, let's get this bad boy off. I've been loving this wig today. But that's not what we're trying to talk about today, is it? We're trying to talk about... I've got a pile of wigs right there. Y'all just don't even know my wig problems. And girl, my bestie, she be buying wigs, just like I used to buy them. And I got burned a little bit before her, and all I can do is watch and say, well, eventually she's going to start buying something else. Because right now I didn't started buying clothes, you know. I'm back into fashion, which is good. I didn't think I would be because, you know, my body, this affects my body. You know, I didn't think I would be. All right, so let's get this on. Okay, here we go. She's all ready. She sprayed on the inside. Look how pretty that is. I have so many hopes for her. You know, I didn't even heat up the hot comb. I didn't do nothing I was supposed to do. It's like I've never even done this before sometimes. At least heat up the flat iron. Okay, I love this color on me. Oh, that's pretty, isn't it? That's pretty. And see what I'm talking about, like at your part. You don't know what you want to do right here, right? You want this to stand out. You want to see the part, but it might not be. Like I used the color lace tint that I would always use, but it's not really showing up on this particular wig. It's kind of the same color as the wig. So let's get this bad boy moved around. First of all, it's a little crooked. Move it around. I really love my wigs to be kind of messy. I have this like messy, sexy thing I like to do. I don't know about y'all. I can't stand. I mean, I want every hair in place, but I want it in place. I want every hair in place in a Tina Turner kind of way. Does that make sense to y'all? I want it in place, but I want to be like, Now this is pretty, isn't it? Let's look at this. Ooh. Let's turn around. Y'all tell me what it looks like. Is that good enough? I don't know what color I should choose. I don't really know how to do this yet. I'm learning. Let's just pick a color. I kind of want to pick a darker color. So I'm picking the color that's right in the middle of my palette, right there in the middle. And I'm just going to go at it and see what happens. I used it on some other parts and it just came out great. But this color is just giving me some hard times. Okay, that wasn't dark enough, so I'm going to use, and see, that's why it's great to have all these colors. So I'm going to use this color right here. Oh, see it? It's just a little bit. I don't even know if you can see it on there. But in real life, this is looking like it grew out of my head. Because of my hair fetish, I believe there's another influencer on here who makes or distributes this product. sister friend, thank you. And thank you to my bestie, Tony, who loves to watch this amazing wig reviewer. I would love to get that good at it, but to have come up with a product like this is amazing. So I'm not putting a lot, and I'm definitely using the straightest, slimmest brush I can. Okay, so this is beautiful piece. I don't know that she really needs to flat iron at all. So I'm going to run some on here. And I'm going to run some on here. I'm not using lace bond. I usually don't on my bobs. They behave so well. An Outre bob is just so well cut and so beautiful that you just don't need to mess with it too much. You know, just leave her beautiful. They got you. I guess, you know, Outre was the first wig I ever bought. Not the first wig. I bought some, like, cosplay wigs when I was first trying to determine, like, what style I could wear, you know, because I'd never worn a wig before, but I didn't always want to be at a very short fro at first, and it just wasn't glamorous along with the makeup that I was doing. It was very short. I could have made it glamorous, but again, I don't do hair, and I didn't know how, because you could definitely take short hair like that, color it out like I've got it colored now, and it could have been just like super fly, but I didn't have that in my head at the time. I just had like, you know, want to get me a wig, and that might be what y'all are thinking. All I can tell you is that a middle part bob is probably just about everybody's best option. It can be a side part bob, but a middle part bob is on trend right now. It adds some balance to your face, some symmetry that you may not have right now if you've had any injury to your face, or if you just commonly don't have that symmetry. It adds some symmetry in the middle part. I'm not going to blow this up with hairspray or anything. I just think it's pretty, just like it is. I just like it just like this. It's so natural. Men love it. It's super soft. Now, I will say, if you want to, you know, look it up in here. If you want to, or in public, you pull it down and you use some even lace bond and you put a couple of layers of spray along your stocking cap, like right the edge where your hairline is going to be. Put a thin little layer, let it dry. Thin layer, let it dry. If you're really going dancing, put another layer, let it dry. And you will be able to lay your wig down and then take a strap that you see, an elastic strap, just like one of these, and lay it down while you do your makeup. It gives me a little bit of a headache when I have my wig glued down, and I think it's just sort of like when you wear your ponytail a different direction. You know, I'm not accustomed to my wigs being glued down, so when I glue it down, it's uncomfortable to me. This is really pretty. Look at that. And then think you could take this It's a dedicated center part, but you could take it, pull it back, you know, once you've got the lace bond on it. Or you could even just take a tendril right here and a tendril right here. Kind of 60s. But you know what I'm saying? You could get something going, play with it, you know, put a little thing on there. Maybe, look how cute and sexy that is for like during the daytime, out with your guy or something. That's so cute. So, this beautiful wig by Outre, Tayten, color bomb, and just the color in and of itself. It's golden, it's glorious, and then it's got a peekaboo right underneath. I'm obsessed with it. I love it. Absolutely love it. All right, y'all. So this is, I don't know if I've met a wig I didn't like yet. I think I have, but not one that I couldn't make it work. So this is going to be a workhorse wig for me. It's going to be a wear often because it's so simple yet so stylish. It's just beautiful. So I highly recommend this. I'll put the link in it on my Amazon. I'll put the link down below to my Amazon where you can find exactly all the details about it or purchase it if you'd like. And remember to please like, comment, subscribe, share, come back and see me soon. I'll be making videos every week. Thank you so much. Whatever you're going through, this too shall pass. I love you. Bye.